Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. I'm super excited to try this product out because I love Amrezy. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I thought I'd give it a shot. I know I'm a little bit late, but you know, better late than never. So if you guys want to see what I think about this highlighter, just keep on watching. I notice every time I do a review, I get very inspired by whoever the product is by, and I just try to make a look resemble, you know, as much as them. And I feel like this resembles Amrezy a little bit. She likes her hoops. Nice, smoky, sexy eye, some lip gloss. I'm feeling myself, girl. But I do feel naked because we got no highlighter going on, so let's go ahead and start. My dumbass went to Sephora on the day it launched, and I'm like, wait, where's the Amrezy highlighter? And they're like,
girl, it's not available here till March.
I'm like, excuse me?
So at that point, I didn't want to order it because I'm like, shit, I lost my chance to make a review. And then time went by and I'm like, wait, girl, I know we're late over here, but I still want to give a review for you guys. You know, maybe you want to buy the item, you're not sure how it'll look. I mean, I'm sure you know how it looks, girl, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I went into Sephora, they didn't have it, so I waited a little bit and I went to Amy's the other day and I got myself the Amrezy highlighter. Girl, I'm so excited. I don't even know how to express how happy I am. I freaking love Amrezy. Like, I've been following her since forever. She's a Gemini sister girl. And once I saw this highlighter, girl, took my breath away. I'm a little bit under the weather, so don't mind my little raspy voice. So starting off with the price, this was sold at Amy's for $28. I think that's how much it is everywhere, but I just want to let you guys know that at Amy's it's that much. Of course, this is a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills, if you guys have not noticed yet. So the packaging is so smooth, like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like paper, but it's so smooth. It almost feels like silky. Anywho, I love the stars going on in the rose gold. I feel like that's so her. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. So this is how it looks like it's kind of hard to see because it's giving a reflection, but just says Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy with stars all over it. It looks just like the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh my God. So it looks like this. It comes with a mirror. It's nice and like wavy, and I heard it's a wet formula. Now, when I heard it was a wet formula, my mind directly went into Kylie Cosmetics wet set. I haven't tried that. Now, let's see how it's gonna look on the cheeks, on the nose, the inner corner, the brow bone. We're gonna do it all, girl. Now, if you guys don't follow her on Snapchat or Instagram, she posted a little tutorial on how she likes to apply her highlighter. She went ahead and sprayed her face with the Tatcha spray. I don't have the Tatcha spray, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with the MAC Fix Plus. So I'm gonna give my nice and saturated. Now I'm gonna pick up my M501 brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and coat it. Oh my God, you guys, it's blinding from over here. I'm kind of scared. Okay, let's go. Oh my God. Do you guys see that? Like, damn. Okay, Amra, you did a real good job. Alright guys, as you guys can see, that is a beautiful glow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush just to see if it'll give any difference in the amount of shine we got on our cheeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat my brush. Oh my. Okay. You guys, I am bathing myself in this highlighter. It's just too good. Like, you want to keep on putting more on. Wow. You guys, that is so pretty. As I said earlier that it would give that wet effect, it definitely does. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some on my nose because, you know, I love a nose highlight. Got some on our brow bone. As you guys can see, I applied it on my cheekbones, my nose, oh girl, we forgot our inner corner. We got that going on right now. Now, something different I wanted to do on my reviews is I want to see if I can find a dupe for this item. Now we know there's 1,000,001 gold highlighters, but girl, the formula, consistency, the way it looks on your skin can be all different. So I went ahead and chose 2 other highlighters that I feel like maybe can be a dupe, but we'll see. So we got, of course, the Amrezy highlighter going on, and then I went ahead and picked up my Becca Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill. Now, the last dupe I found pretty interesting because they do come from the same family. This is also a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills, except it's Nicole Guerrero's collab, which I also have a review on, link down there. And this palette has 2 gold shades, so I'll go ahead and try those out too. Now for the first swatch, we're gonna do Amrezy highlighter, like, Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna give it a nice... Next up, we got the Champagne Pop, which is a little bit deeper. It has a little bit more of an orange tint to it when this one is more like champagne-y. Even though this one's called Champagne Pop, that's weird. Now the Champagne Pop is a little bit more orange. It's a little bit deeper, so it's not completely a dupe. But let's go ahead and see what the other 2 can do. Nicole Guerrero, I'm gonna pick up Glow Getter. Oh wow. I think this is the furthest out of all 3. I feel like right now Champagne Pop is the closest dupe to the Anastasia Amrezy collab. And last but not least, I'm gonna pick up 143, and I'm going to swatch this right here. Yeah, that's the darkest. It actually goes from lighter to a little bit darker, a little bit darker, a little bit darker. So in my opinion, I feel like Champagne Pop is the closest, but it's not the same. Obviously, I've used Champagne Pop. I know how it looks on the skin. Girl, right now I'm feeling the Amrezy highlighter real nice. Oh girl, I can't wait to bathe in this in the summer. Like, all right guys, the verdict is in. I think you guys already know how I feel about this highlighter. Girl, I love it. I definitely think that you guys should try this out. It's super blinding. I mean, I can see how you could make it a very subtle glow just like with 1-2 strokes of the brush, but I go in with like 24 because ain't nothing subtle up in here, girl. We want it to be real bright. The other highlighters that I thought I could dupe with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy collaboration didn't pull through. The closest one, as you guys saw, was the Champagne Pop, but I still feel like it wasn't exactly the same. Formula's a little bit different. It appears on the skin a little bit different. I hope you guys enjoyed this review as much as I did. Amrezy changed the highlighting game. If anyone could come out with something better than this. Side note, Amrezy gave us a little tip on Snapchat on how to use this highlighter really well. The first thing she said is when you put your translucent powder on, girl, don't go all the way to like your hairline. Just stay right here, because once you put powder on top of powder, it's gonna look a little bit weird. And I'm like, damn, she makes a lot of sense. And I've been doing that ever since. And I feel like my highlighter is extra popping. It looks really nice. But yeah, you guys. Oh, I can't stop looking at myself like, girl. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. If you guys have tried this highlighter and you like it or you don't, or you found something super similar, leave a comment down below because I want to know, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.